Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel, where we're all about growing your own fresh herbs and vegetables at home. Today, we're going to learn how to grow coriander leaves. Coriander is a popular herb that is used in a variety of dishes, adding a unique and delicious flavor. Whether you're a seasoned gardener or a beginner, growing coriander is a great project that's easy and fun. So, let's get started. Materials. To grow coriander at home, you'll need a few simple materials. A container or pot with good drainage. It can be any size or shape, as long as it has holes in the bottom for proper drainage. Potting soil. This type of soil is formulated for container gardening and is lightweight and easy to work with. Coriander seeds. You can buy these at any garden center or online. Watering can or spray bottle. A watering can is ideal for this project, but you can also use a spray bottle if you prefer. Step 1. Prepare the container. The first step in growing coriander at home is to prepare your container. Fill the container with potting soil and make sure the soil is moist but not soaking wet. This is important because coriander seeds need moist soil to germinate. If the soil is too wet, it can lead to root rot and other problems. Step 2. Plant the seeds. Once your container is ready, it's time to plant the seeds. Simply sprinkle the coriander seeds on top of the soil, making sure they're spaced evenly apart. Then, gently press the seeds into the soil and cover with a thin layer of soil. This will help keep the seeds in place and prevent them from drying out. Step 3. Watering. Next, water your seeds with a watering can or spray bottle. Make sure the soil stays moist but not soaking wet. Coriander seeds germinate best at around 68-86 degrees Fahrenheit, so keep your container in a warm spot. If the temperature is too low, it can take longer for the seeds to germinate, and if it's too high, they may not germinate at all. Step 4. Growing. Once your seeds have germinated, keep your container in a sunny spot. Coriander needs a lot of light to grow, but it doesn't like direct sunlight, so find a place where it gets plenty of light but is protected from the hottest part of the day. You'll see sprouts emerge in a few days, and the leaves will start growing in about a week or two. Step 5. Harvesting. When your coriander leaves are large enough to use, you can start harvesting them. Cut the leaves off at the base of the plant, making sure to leave some leaves so the plant can continue to grow. You can harvest coriander leaves as needed, and the plant will keep producing new leaves for several months. Final thoughts. And that's it. Growing coriander at home is a simple and rewarding experience. With just a few basic materials and a little bit of care, you'll be able to enjoy fresh, fragrant coriander leaves whenever you need them. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more great gardening tips and ideas. See you next.